Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix battery drain problem on INFINIX Note 6T. So first, go into the settings, then find battery and power saving, change the current mode to battery saver. Also you have power saving here and enable every recommended option. Then right here, go into the display and brightness, use the dark theme, lower the brightness or use the adaptive brightness, disable high brightness mode, and screen timeout, shorten this time to around 1 minute. Scroll from the top and disable every feature you're not currently using, for example a Wi-Fi or a Bluetooth. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.